Welcome to CNCTrain. CNCTrain Library is an online resource that provides access to e-learning content, engineering simulation software, and standardized training modules. Let's see how to join in CNCTrain. If you are new to CNCTrain, you have to create the new account for CNCTrain. Create new account by clicking Create New Account option. Undergo all the terms and condition, cookie policies. Click Next and accept the condition. Then click Next to continue the further process. To create new account, fill all your personal details. After filling the details, click on Create My New Account. Click on Continue to complete your registration. Then you'll receive the account confirmation mail. Once your registration has been confirmed, click on Continue. Now you have logged into your account. You will find Virtual Open Office in course categories in Home and click on Tab Virtual Office. Enter the enrollment key, which is shared on your mail, then click on Enroll Me. Then, click on Big Blue button in Activities area. You can also scroll down to find Big Blue button to open Virtual Open Office. After opening the Virtual Open Office, you can find respective rooms on Visible Groups. Select the specific room to join the session. After selecting the specific room, click on Join Session to join your virtual office. Join the session with audio by clicking Microphone. Make sure to allow your microphone access. Click Yes once the microphone is checked. In Virtual Office you can find various kinds of options. Click Start Recording to start recording the meeting. Add your daily task status report here before logging off. Click on Plus button to become the presenter. We can also chat with the teammates in public and in private mode. In public chat we can chat with the team. In private we can chat with team members individually. We can also create breakout rooms. To create breakout rooms, click on Setting icon and select Create Breakout Rooms for private conversation in between the participants. Select the number of rooms need to be created and duration of the room. Assign the members to each room to create the breakout room. Now assign members will available in each breakout rooms. You cannot find private chat option and recording option in breakout room. Shared notes option, which is below the public chat. Under the notes section, shared notes can be import, export in PDFs, Word, ODF, plain text, HTML, Etherpad, etc. You should leave the meeting by clicking on Leave Meeting. Never click on End Meeting. Let's see what is Leave Meeting and End Meeting. Leave Meeting option is given to exit the participants from the meeting. End Meeting option is given to end the whole meeting session. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.